like, subscribe, and get notified.
Halad, a celebrated Goan non-feature film, has been officially selected for the 56th International Film Festival of India, IFFI 2025. Director Sobita Kudtarkar emphasized the need for more Konkani films to be created and promoted on national and international platforms. The film will premiere on 21st November at 12 p.m. at INOX, Panjim.
This is a great feeling to have a film being screened at such a prestigious international platform. And the message that I would say that make more films in Konkani. We need more films. We have multiple stories all around the corners of our state. Beautiful. It has beautiful dialects and so many things to say. So bring forth, and I think Sadanjat films करत राहू आमका, and that's our motto, and that's what we do.
Congratulate Entertainment Society of Goa for encouraging Goan cinema. For any regional cinema, this encouragement is very must. IFFI Goa and also Entertainment Society of Goa, they sent us 17 Goan films, complete films. We have selected 5 films, or 5 films which have selected are very good. In future, initially they should invite scripts and then fund the films. If they fund the films, definitely good films can be made in this region. Through micro level, these films could grow to the next level and also reach national and international level. That's what I wish.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop Number to Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop Number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.
Are you coming for IFFI? IFFI?
IFFI?
IFFI?
IFFI? IFFI? IFFI?
IFFI?
IFFI?
IFFI?
IFFI?
IFFI is a 9-day International Film Festival of India where cine enthusiasts come together to celebrate the art of cinema. This year is the 56th edition of it.
Hello, my name is Siddha Naik. अपनी सिनेमा है मैंने भी कार्ड कर दिया है और आप लोग जल्दी से आओ कला का दिन जल्दी से अपना यूनिट कार्ड ज्वाइन करो.